Hello there. Welcome to Treadmill Running Belts. We are one of the largest stockists of affordable new treadmill belt replacements in Australia. In this video, we will walk you through the general guide on how to change a running belt. Remove plug from PowerPoint. Remove rear end caps and covers. Remove front top motor roller cover. Check for any screws fixing the side rails to the deck and remove. Slide or lift off foot rails. If this is difficult, check for double-sided tape fixing them on. Slide a knife along the double-sided tape at the same time as lifting the foot rails off. Peel off rubber side rails. This will then expose 8 to 10 fixing screws, 4 to 5 on each side. Tip: mark the front roller on the frame to make it easier to adjust it back to the original position. Remove 8 to 10 fixing screws from the deck. Slide deck up towards front roller. Remove adjuster set screw at rear and remove rear roller. Remove deck sideways. The upright arms may need to be removed before the deck can be removed. Remove adjuster set screw on opposite side to fan drive belt pulley. Raise right hand end of front roller and slide old running belt off. Tip: try to keep the fan or drive belt on the roller pulley. Slide new running belt onto front roller. Reinsert adjuster screw. Slide back on running deck. Push running belt over mat guides if installed. Give a good coating of silicone oil on the deck. Install set screw back onto front roller. Install rear roller through running belt. Insert adjuster set screws into rear roller and tension evenly, not too tight at this stage. Align running deck with holes and tighten in position. Rotate the new running belt by hand or foot to center belt. Plug in and turn on treadmill at its lowest speed and adjust the new running belt tension and alignment according to the owner's manual. Refit motor covers, side rails, and end caps. Double check all screws are tight and the new running belt is not rubbing anywhere. For more information on your treadmill belt replacement and order placement, you can contact us for a quote. We deliver worldwide replacement treadmill running belts starting from $88.